Hey Bliss Boosties, it's Chef Brittany here, and literally it took everything in me to get it together to get this video for y'all. So if you don't know, I recently had a checkup with my doctor, and she said, Brittany, you need to get that iron up ASAP. And if I'm not able to get that iron up ASAP, then I'm gonna have to go through another round of iron infusions. So I don't want to do that. That's kind of a last resort kind of thing. So I decided to look up some iron-rich foods. And today, you're going to juice it with me. I ain't never tasted this before. We finna find out what this is going to taste like together, okay? So before we get into it, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Honey, we trying to get these subscriber counts up. And go ahead and comment and just tell me what you think about the video, all right? Let's get started. Let me just interject in the video. So I'm looking at this and my face is like so greasy. I have an explanation for that. So after I take a shower, I literally slap my whole body in Aquaphor. I'm sorry about that, but continue to watch the video. Thank you. All right, so what we're gonna be juicing today, I got organic Green Wise Granny Smith apples. I have carrots, beetroots, spinach, okay? And so the reason, so I know that the spinach and the beetroot are iron-rich foods. And then they say that you need to pair iron-rich foods with vitamin C, citrusy foods, and beta carotene. When those things come together, it increases the absorption rate of the iron. So that's why I'm doing that. Now, I've had carrot apple juice before. Delicious. I ain't had beetroot and spinach with it. And I'm not a very grass-eating girl. Now, don't get me wrong, I love some vegetables. But juiced, that ain't really my thing. But we're going to do it because you got to do what you got to do so I don't be up in the hospital getting them transfusions. You know what I'm saying? I'm infusions, not transfusions, thank God. All right, let's get started. I'm going to wash these beets. Y'all see they dirty, honey. They are dirty. I'm trying to figure out what I should start with. All right, guys, I'm going to cut up these vegetables and the apples into smaller pieces. Now, this is a Breville, and the sticker says you can put a whole apple in there. But I was listening to someone who said that you shouldn't juice an entire apple because the seeds have traces of cyanide in it. So I chose to believe that. So I'm going to cut the apple up, okay? And then we're going to get the juicing. Are y'all big people? Now, I'm going to be honest. I like pickled beets. Okay, let me be honest. I like the beets that I had at a farmer's market one time. There was this lady who would sell pickled beets, and they were this beautiful, bright purple color, and they were cut like crinkle cut French fries. And the way she pickled them, they were so addictive. But I do not like the ones that are just pickled in the grocery store. They're like softer and they have this interesting taste. But farmer's market pickled beets, pickled anything really, I love it. Okay, so while I'm cutting this up, I need for y'all to tell me in the comments what you guys like to juice. If you're a juice person, what is your ultimate juicing combination, juicing recipe? If you yourself battle against anemia and keeping your iron levels up, tell me what ways you keep them up because the iron pills don't work for me. I wonder, should I use the leaves? Mama, should I juice the leaves?
Yes, you can.
Mama said juice the leaves. We're going to juice the leaves. All right, beets are cut up. Hands are slightly tinted. That's a good thing. All right, I'm going to cut up the apples, and then I'm going to voice over so we can get to juicing so you don't have to hear this loud thing because it's pretty loud. When I finish juicing this, I'm going to get Betty and my mom to taste it so they can give you their honest reaction. One thing Betty ain't going to do is lie about how something tastes. If it's nasty, you'll see it on her face before she even say a word. Kevin, you want some of my beet juice? You want some of my beet juice?
Yeah, I'll take some.
You said,
Yeah, I'll take some.
Oh, you will?
Oh,
Okay. It's going to be beet, spinach, carrot, apple, lemon, and a thumb of ginger. Okay. Put it right there, and as soon as it's up, I'm going to pour you some.
all right, just pour it in there.
Okay. And just like that, the juice is done. I am giving it a quick mix. I am praying to the Lord thy God that it's not disgusting. And I am getting ready to serve it up. Do you see the way my mouth is pierced like that? I am not excited. But I know that even though this may be nasty, it is very necessary. Going in for the taste test. I am very nervous, a little scared, but let's do it. Now let me tell you one thing for sure. You can smell the beets. You can smell them. See, you see that? You see that? Yeah, you can smell the beets, but it's time to be a big girl. It's time to be a big girl and try it. Remember, Brittany, your iron levels, they must come up. Do you really want to sit in a hospital and get infusions? I go for the first taste, and I'm like, oh, girl, it doesn't taste as bad as it smells. Let me taste it again to make sure it wasn't a fluke. Very grassy indeed, but doable. I think right now I'm noticing how greasy my face is, and I am begging Betty Boo to come and try it. You'll get her real reaction.
I won't trust nothing with beets in it.
Come on. You know what? I think it tastes a lot better if it was like cold. Do people put like ice cubes in the juicer to get it cold? Come on. Come close. This is Betty Boop, y'all. This is the baby out of my three. Get your hair out of your face. Like a rock star.
Don't even smell right.
It don't taste as bad as it smells.
Tastes like grass.
That's my child. Come on, Mom, it tastes this juice so I can get on with my life.
Where is it?
Right here.
I need to go over here.
No, right here. I said I was filming you dancing over there. Smells beady, don't it? Beady, beady, bum, bum.
Beady, 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 boom, boom. Doesn't smell like I'm not gonna taste it at all. You know how you smell milk and be like, mm-mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whole body deodorant is made with just 9 clean ingredients and more skin conditioners than the other guys.
Oh, was I just supposed to sip it?
No, it's plenty.
Oh, great.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
It's native.
Ding, 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 ding.
No, clink, 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 clink,
Clink, clink, clink, clink, clink, clink. Betty says it tastes like grass. It's the spinach.
And they're delivering. I'm like, oh, I like that. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna steal that. You know. So I think everything should always be open to learning and improving and doing things. You know, improving all the time.
Try it one more time.
Not always think that everything you do is perfect.
You gotta get the fullness of it.
I think that's awesome. And open mind.
Absolutely. And then the other thing is your space. Create both physical and mental spaces to focus on the moment. Like being in an environment where I know sometimes like my desk can get cluttered.
I've never drank that
I'm like,
before.
I gotta, clear
That's
this
what it
out.
tastes
So
like.
really, when you think
That's
about
exactly
it, for
what
me,
your
I
daughter
can't stand
said.
clutter too much. Like
It
my
tastes
daughter
like
just
dirt.
came back from her.
Mom liked it.
Look, she moved back here, so she got all her stuff not in one room.
All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning into my juicing videos. I want to know what you think in the comments. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Chef Mama and I are trying to grow the channel, and as we grow, we can produce more content for you, okay? Until next time, remember one thing. We do flavor over here.
Cheers.